Hi, hope you're all doing great. We are planning a new video series wherein we'll be sharing several tips relevant for entrance exam. In each video, we'll focus on one specific tip. And in today's video, we'll focus on the importance of preparing notes, which is considered to be vital and key for ensuring success in any respective entrance exam. First, let me start with the advantages of maintaining notes. Obviously, maintaining notes, remember, it's like your customized high-yield synopsis. So it saves time during revision, and most importantly, it adds up to your confidence. So these are two main advantages which you have by maintaining a customized notes. Not the material which is readily available, not someone's notes, but your own notes which you prepare by yourself by referring various textbooks or various MCQ books. Customized notes, that's very, very important. The major challenge which we face while preparing notes is what to write, how to write, how much to write. It's quite simple. Whenever you're preparing notes, just keep these things in mind. You're not going to write down everything that's given in text. Only important points which you feel, if you feel that a specific point is important, you'll obviously note down. If you feel that you're forgetting a specific value, you'll obviously note down. If you feel like it will be easy for you to remember if you draw a flowchart or a diagram, then obviously you'll note down. So that's how you can personalize your own notes. You're the master of your own notes, right? So in this way, you'll be able to create a high-yield customized synopsis. And I agree with you when you say that it's really time-taking, it's very challenging to prepare notes, but it has its own inherent advantages, as I mentioned previously. Even though it's time-taking, it's worth spending the time. Because you might feel that it's time-taking and it's challenging to jolt down various important points, but as time progresses, as exams approach, you feel more and more confidence by revising your customized notes. So as I said, it's going to save time, maybe not now. Even though investing time now is worth doing, it's going to save time, especially during revision. And most importantly, it increases your confidence levels. And just before exam, this is going to act as a magic bullet. Take my word. Right? So this first part of the video, we have focused on the importance of making notes, a customized notes, a high-yield customized synopsis. So in subsequent videos, we'll focus on various other relevant tips pertaining to entrance preparation. Love you all.